Hi guys. Now the video is about how to fill the application form for FRV visa while coming to Germany. So this is the website you are supposed to go into. In this website you could see the form where you could fill the form directly and then you could download it. You can submit the downloaded form in the VFS. So since it's German, if you want to understand it clearly, you can change the language here. Since English is easy for me, so you can choose whatever the language you want to. So here now I'm choosing English. So yeah, the first one is applicant's personal data. The means the person who is coming to Germany. Your family name or your last name. Your first name. So for example, let's say the family name is Rao. First name is ABC. Date of birth in the date, month, and year format. 15, 5, 1995. Place of birth, let's say Delhi. Country of birth is India. Your sex, whether you're male, female, or if you don't want to specify, that's your choice. So here I'm selecting female. Marital status, married. Since I have come on a dependent visa, I have selected this. Since means here you are supposed to enter the date when you're married. Let's say 25, 2025. This is also in date, month, and year format. Your current nationality, that is supposed to be India, or whatever your current nationality is. I'm telling this for example. Former nationality. If you have any other different nationalities before this, you can add that here. This one is if you have children. If yes, select this box and enter the details of the child. If there are more than one, you can also add another child to the details. The next is details on the applicant's spouse or registered partner. Since you are coming on a spouse visa, you are supposed to enter the details of your partner who is living in Germany. His or her family name. For example, let's say XYZ. Their first name, CBA. Their date of birth in the date, month, and year format. Their place of birth. Country of birth. I'm entering these details for the example purposes. Their current nationality. Whatever it is. Place of residence, like where they are currently living right now. The parents of the applicant. Here you are supposed to enter your parents. I have entered Rao, I guess. Yeah. So first name of the father, nationality of father. Let's say it's okay. Father's place of birth, place of residence. Also your mother's family name. It's better to fill these details based on their proof of residence, like whatever the data is on their Aadhaar card or passport. Please make sure to enter that details so that it wouldn't mismatch. First name of mother, Sita. Nationality of mother, let's say mother's date of birth, mother's place of birth, mother's place of residence. And the next thing is your occupation. So you can choose whatever the profession you fall into the category. And if you don't find your particular category, you can select other professions and you can enter it here. Software engineer. Yeah. And then your contact data, like your address, street, like what street, ABC Street. I'm taking it an example. House number 100, postal code 12345 6. Town or city, Delhi. Country, India. Your telephone or mobile number. Your email. Is your residence in a country other than that of your current nationality? Like, for example, your nationality is not Indian and you are currently residing in India, then you have to select this option. If not, you can leave. And the next one is identification papers. Here, type of travel document. Uh, You can select whatever type of travel document you are using to travel. Since I'm on ordinary passport, I have selected this. Your passport number. You could find this in your passport. The date of issue is also could be found on your passport. Valid until date also you could find in passport. Issuing state where your passport has been issued. By whom was it issued by? You could find this on your passport where the stamp is present. Like, regional passport office. So, issued in the country, that is place. For example, if it's in a city, you can provide that. Your travel data. Like here, you are supposed to, the first one is purpose of stay in the Federal Republic of Germany. So, I have selected family reunification. If you are on a study visa or employment uh, or whatever if whatever your purpose is, you can select it here. Uh, if applicable, intended employment. This is not a mandatory field. You can leave if you want to, or if you want to fill it, you can fill it. This is from when you wanted to stay in Germany. You can select some 1 month after your VFS application date. For example, your application is on September 3rd. You can select October 3rd to so I intended to live in Germany permanently, so I have entered permanent. The next thing is I intend to stay for no longer than 12 months in the federal territory and apply for a visa that covers the entire duration of my stay. So this is like if you don't want to stay in Germany for more than 12 months, you can select this. If not, you can leave it. And the next category is reference. For example, how on what purpose you are coming to Germany. Type of reference. If you are coming as a student, you are supposed to select educational establishment or company or organization. Since I came on a dependent visa, I have selected reference person, family relationship, husband or wife or whatever you can. Family relationship, husband, and XYZ, first name, male or female, whatever it is, the date of birth, the place of birth, their nationality. This is not mandatory, but you can provide it. The current address, house number, postal code, city, country where they are currently living. For example, your spouse has already acquired the German nationality, then you can give Germany here, the telephone number, their email. If it's a German mobile number, you can enter like this. Now, means of support and details regarding the stay. The first one is what are your means of support in the Federal Republic of Germany? Since I'm on a dependent visa, I have entered as spouse, then your spouse's name, like salary. The next one is has a formal declaration of commitment been completed? I have selected as no since I haven't. And then your intended place of stay, like where you wanted to live, the street, like house number, postal code, town or city. Next one is how will you be accommodated? Uh, like where you are gonna stay, like if it's a single room or apartment with some rooms or collective accommodation, or if it's others, you can select this and explain here. Since I live in an apartment with 3 rooms, I have selected it. And then, do you intend to retain your permanent residence outside the Federal Republic of Germany? Currently, for the sake of application, you can select yes. This is like if you want to maintain your residence in your own country. So I wanted to maintain my permanent residence in India, so I selected yes. And here you're supposed to give your address, like ABC Street, your postal code, place. The next question is, do family members intend to accompany you? Since I came here alone, I didn't select it. If you are coming with any of the family members, you can select it as yes. If yes, which one? If not, you cannot. You can leave it. Do you have health insurance for a longer stay for the Federal Republic of Germany? At the time of application, you will not have. You just have the travel insurance. So you need not select it. Your health insurance starts once you arrive in Germany. So you need not select it. If you already have, you can select. Previous states in Previous stays in the Federal Republic of Germany. Have you ever been to the Federal Republic of Germany before? I haven't, so I left it. If you have been here, you can select yes. Yes, and you can enter the dates of your last 5 stays. And then declaration. Like, have you ever been convicted? Like, have you ever been in jail or ever been in the police custody or something like that? I haven't. So I selected no. The next one is, have you ever been expelled or deported from the Federal Republic of Germany, had an application for a residence permit rejected, or been refused entry into the Federal Republic of Germany? For example, previously you have applied for a German visa and you have been rejected, or you were deported from Germany, or uh, if you have already been rejected for the residence permit, you can select yes. If not, you can select no. The next one is, do you suffer from any of the following diseases? Like smallpox, polio. Check this and select accordingly. I haven't experienced any of this, so I have selected no. So here says the single asterisk means the mandatory fields. So now you need to save and then continue. You may now download your visa application as a PDF file. Please note this is down download PDF. So once you download it, it would look something like this. When you go to the bottom, you can see the declaration form along with it. You just need to add the place and date along with your signature while submitting in the VFS. That's it.